133rd meet? New secretary? So, yeah, about my MC thing, I will tell you. So, see, I'll tell you, not that MC. So, the new secretary, as I told you, a very strict principal, as strict as our president for the second term. So, as soon as he took his office, I think third or fourth day, he called me. He said, Ajay ji, you are so talented. Why don't you work in our team, in the EC team? I said, Mahesh, I am already an EC team member. But that I know, why don't you work? So I'm standing here and we'll all have to put in a lot of work, that I know. So I'll start with the MFD Bytes. I'll myself present it. He has to give me a lot of work. Yeah. So, President already told us we can sell all the gold and we can expand our family because 500 rupees you can bring them for the family event. So, I think this was last month, I think it was displayed here. IFPA got the award, third year running, at the FFP conference. Okay, so this is visible. I think light, glare is there, huh? Okay, yeah. So we are at what AUM now? 78 reached, huh? So Kumar is always ahead. Yeah, this is last month. Sorry, August is put. It is actually September end. So we have increased our AUM in 1 year by 16.6%. So how many of us have increased our personal AUMs 1 year? 16.6%. Everybody, wow. So I use this actually every month. I see whether my office is growing or not. But I'm not as lucky as them. So direct AUM share is 48%. Last year was 46%, 2% growth. Passive AUM has gone up by 11.3%. 16%, it is same 16%. So some other GDP growth at 7.81% for the first quarter of this financial year. Repo rate is 5.5. Inflation is only, I don't know. So all of you are, normally what we tell our clients, what is the kind of returns we expect? Equities will be where next year? Nifty will be 5 lakh. Nifty or Sensex? Normally we say the GDP growth plus inflation, but inflation is going to the dogs. So our returns are bound to come down. I hope not. Yeah, so this was study done by some agency, I don't know the name, on the valuation of different markets. Red is highly overvalued. India's color is gray, fairly valued. So highly overvalued markets actually Hong Kong, Sweden, Turkey. So how many of you in the last month have given the Hang Seng Index or the Mirae has a fund, I think. Anybody has been selling? Hong Kong, no. Huh? Overvalued is US, Italy, and Singapore. And we are actually in the fairly valued zone. So this was quite interesting. I don't know. Somebody did it. So this is the mutual fund industry update. $30 trillion AUM. Is it correct? We are at 30 trillion? US. This is US ka market. Yeah. So US is at 30 trillion. Active funds there are 49%. Passive is 51%. 30 trillion is how many times bigger than us? So we are 78 lakh crore. This actually works out to 2,500 lakh crores. And the good thing is number of MF investors there is 12.7 crores. with a much smaller population. 56% of the households invest in mutual funds. So that is something which we can look forward to. This is the Indian data. 77.78, 5.64 crores unique investors. SIP, I had to change the number. It is 29,361 crores now. Yes. So this is our SIP book growing 1,000 crore at a time. So if you can see it, like almost every 2 months it has been growing by 1,000 crores, thanks to all of us sitting here, and especially Mahesh. Of course, in December he went for a leave, so from December to June it took 6 months. He had gone to Bali. I think you all must be aware. And now we are at 29,361 crores. So in 2 months we have again jumped 1,000 crores, which is quite good. So this was AMFI's top distributors. So top distributors are actually 3,158 numbers in India. Last year we were, top were 2,499 and 23 it was 1,781. What is top distributor? What is a top distributor? Activa. We are all dead. Huh? 1,000 crores. Oh my God, okay. So the top distributors manage 25 lakh crores out of the 77, 78 odd lakh crores and earned a gross income of 21,000. Translates to around 0.83% realization on their AUM. So this is also a key matrix. As I was telling how the industry is growing, your business should grow. Also, you benchmark yourself against what the industry is making out of the total AUM. So this has actually gone up from the previous year. The average earning was around 65 basis. Now it has gone up to 83. Thanks to Wealth Company. New AMC, yeah. Oh, something fell down. So 5-year trend analysis from 1,102 to 3,000, almost 3 times. So top distribution, any of these 20 locations, 100 crore AUM, 1 crore annual gross commission, or 50 lakhs from single mutual fund house. So SIF, how many passed the exam? Except Dr. Sukumar? 6 people. Others are not interested or not, or attempted and failed. Try till you achieve, yeah. So in next 5 years, MFDs can make $1 billion per year from SIF. I don't know who's Nalin Moniz. He's okay. So anyway, it's a good number. I think don't stick only to mutual funds. Please write this exam. And so I think SBI collected 1,000 crores. Edelweiss collected almost 400, 500 crores. 300. And yeah, Quant also. So people are coming in with hardly handful of distributors. They are doing 300. So these 5 people did this 300 crores. Huh? Okay. So we have a new AMFI chairman as we have the new president here in Chennai. In AMFI also. Who was the earlier chairman? Vishal Kapoor. Okay. Yeah, that's written there, no? Okay. Yeah, okay. And IFA Galaxy had their AGM, and K. Shobhana is the new president, and the team here. So Indian MFD groups, I think IFPA was not there, but a lot of, some 37 MFD associations approached the GST Council to reduce the burden to 5%. No GST reduction. So MFDs, a lot of us are facing teething trouble with the NSE Invest platform. Please bear to live with it. So SEBI has announced a new incentive scheme for B30 and first-time women investors. So you have to started receiving money for that? You don't want? Okay. So actually what is proposed, it's already in action now, 1% flat fee up to a maximum of 2,000 rupees for first-time women investor as well as the B30. So who will calculate this and pay you this money? Yes. This is very important for all of us. Jaipur MFD firm Sodhani Capital raised 10 crores. They had an AUM of 500 crores, valued at 40 crores. This month beginning, 7th was their listing. And now they are at 100 crore value. So good opportunity for Sukumar, everybody. Old news now. Ajay Seth is the IRDA chairman, not me, I'm Ajay Jose. But I presented this in my office before coming here, I practiced. They thought I have become they didn't read the Seth part. So input tax credit will, so that is one gray area for I think all of us. So input earlier in the insurance commissions, GST was not a botheration because it was charged to the client. So now since the clients are not paying, so whatever commission you are receiving, insurance commission, actually you have to pay the GST for it. Not doing it? Okay. NFOs hardly anything. I think Diwali season. So we have only index funds. Okay. Who has the highest ARN number here? Highest ARN, latest entrant? Above 5 lakh? 3 lakh? Above 3 lakh, anybody? I've seen you before. How you got one more ARN? Oh, that is the what's the number? 318508. 318508. Anybody higher? Same ARN number. 319. Yes, it's higher. 319. Oh, wow. Number? Fancy number. 333. Okay. Good. So that is the highest. So we got 300. Okay. Now we have somebody with the lowest ARN number here. Who is that? 37. Number I de. Again for 33370 fancy number they are telling. It's 37. Lakshmi Kumar sir. He's not that old. And that 333 guy is also not that young. But anyway, the numbers alone. Ama. Okay. Quickly. Now there's nobody to ring the bell. Okay. So. Okay. So quickly, debt rates. Last year, 1 year ago, 6.5. This year it is 5.5. 10-year GSEC yield. USD INR. These are all just for brushing up. All of you know it already. Brent is 69. Gold is somewhere. Inflation, CPI inflation is 1.55 and wholesale price index is minus. So our returns are going to GDP growth. 1 year Sensex return is minus 3.9. And in spite of that, we have increased our business by 16%. So that is great. You know, market would have given 10% means you would have relaxed more. So equity investments last 1 year, this 1 year span, FIIs have taken out 34,000 crores And we all have, the mutual funds, DIIs have invested 63,000 crores, 98% up from 1 year back. So we are keeping the market afloat. Monthly equity inflows are positive with the SIPs. Slightly more, 30,000, 29,000 is SIP. So it's total net inflow including debt is negative. How many millionaires we have in India? It's written there, yeah. I think it's good, fast in reading. Others are not reading also. So this is dollar. Rupees millionaire has got no value. So dollar millionaire is 8.7 crores of INR. So this is typically how we have grown. I mean, these many number of new clients you are getting every year. Last year we had 110,000 new millionaires. This year we have already 130,000 new millionaires. Huge opportunity. I think Sukumar anyway keeps putting that every day. No, that's I think it. Okay, so thank you all for patiently listening. So we'll get on with the event now. We have Mr. Dixit Uday Kumar. Dixit Mittal. Yeah. So he's going to speak on how to grow your AUM 20 times in 5 years. No, he's not given the topic, so anyway, I thought something catchy so that you all at least start listening. So Mr. Dixit Mittal is a senior fund manager with LIC Mutual Fund. He has an MBA Finance from ICFI Business School and over 18 years of experience in the financial services industry. So welcome, Mr. Dixit.